Chapter 7. Introduction to Microbiology. Branch of biology in which study of the enzymes related to some prokaryotes and eukaryotic microbes, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology is performed. It called as applied microbiology. This study is used for the society, and various products like food and medicines are produced on large scale with the help of microorganisms. Industrial microbiology. This science is related to commercial use of microbes in which various economic, social and environmental related processes and products are included. So let's see the main features of industrial microbiology. Various productions with the help of fermentation process, for example bread, cheese, and use of microbes for garbage management and pollution control. So first we'll see about the products. 1. Dairy products. Since ancient days, milk is converted into various products for its preservation purpose. For example, cheese, butter, cream, etc. Water content and acidity of the milk changes during formation of these products, and texture, taste and flavor is improved. Today, these processes are performed on large scale with more skill. For production of most of the milk products, bacteria in milk itself are used. Only cheese is produced with the help of fungi. Basic process for production of yogurt, cheese, cream is same. First, milk is pasteurized to destroy unwanted microbes. Then it is fermented with the help of lactobacilli. Here, lactose sugar of the milk is converted into lactic acid, and milk proteins are coagulated with the help of lactic acid. Besides, compounds with taste and flavor are formed. For example, diacetyl has the flavor of butter. Then yogurt products. Yogurt is a milk product produced with the help of lactobacilli. For maintaining the protein content, condensed milk powder is mixed with milk. Milk is boiled, and once it cools to warm temperature, bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii are added to it in 1:1 proportion. Lactic acid is formed due to Streptococcus that makes the proteins to gel out, that gives dense consistency to the yogurt. Acetaldehyde-like compounds are formed due to lactobacilli that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Shelf life of yogurt and its probiotic properties are improved by pasteurization. Then butter. Two types of butter like sweet cream and cultured are produced on large scale. Then cheese production. Cheese is produced on large scale from the abundantly available cow milk all over the world. First, chemical and microbiological test of milk are performed. Then colors and microbes like Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris and Streptococcus thermophilus are mixed with milk. Then, to impart the dense texture, the water in yogurt, that is whey, is removed. An enzyme, rennet, obtained from alimentary canal of cattle was being traditionally, but nowadays an enzyme protease obtained from fungi is used to produce vegetarian cheese. Then, during the process of production of cheese, cutting, washing, rubbing, salting and mixing of essential microbes and flavors is done, and then it is stored for ripening. Freshly prepared cheese is always soft, for example cottage cheese, mozzarella, and on storing for 3 to 12 months, semi-hard cheddar cheese is formed, whereas after ripening from 12 to 18 months, very hard cheese called Parmesan cheese is formed. Then probiotics. These are milk products which contain active bacteria, that is Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, Bifidobacterium bifidum, etc. These microbes maintain the balance of intestinal microorganisms, that is, they increase the population of microbes helping the digestion and decrease the population of harmful microbes such as Clostridium. Useful microbes become inactive due to antibiotics. Probiotics make them active again. Nowadays, probiotics are used for treatment of diarrhea and treatment of poultry also. Then, bread. Different types of breads are produced from flour of cereals. Dough is formed by mixing of baker's yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, water, salt and other necessary materials with flour. Due to fermentation of carbohydrates by yeast, sugar is converted into carbon dioxide and ethanol. Dough rises up due to carbon dioxide and bread becomes spongy. Ingredients like vinegar, soya sauce and monosodium glutamate, that is Ajinomoto, that are used in presently popular Chinese food are produced by microbial fermentation. Then vinegar production. Vinegar is used in each country of the world to impart sour taste to food materials and for preservation of pickles, sauce, ketchup. Chemically, it is 4% acetic acid. Ethanol, an alcohol, is obtained by fermentation of carbon compounds like fruit juice with the help of yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Mixture of bacterial strains like Acetobacter and Glucanobacter is mixed with ethanol for its microbial degradation. Acetic acid and other byproducts are obtained through it. Finally, very small quantity of sulfur dioxide gas is mixed to produce vinegar. Soya sauce is produced by fermentation of the mixture of flour of wheat or rice and soya bean with the help of fungus Aspergillus oryzae. Then production of beverages. Fruits, microbe used, role of microbe and name of beverage. Caffeia arabica, microbe Lactobacillus bruce, role separating seeds from fruit and beverage coffee. Cocoa is prepared from the fruit Theobroma cacao, microbes Candida hacenula Pichia Saccharomyces, separating seeds from fruit. Wine is prepared from grapes using the microbes Saccharomyces cerevisiae. They ferment the juice. Then cider is obtained from apple with the help of microbes Saccharomyces cerevisiae by fermentation of juice. Then microbial enzymes. Nowadays, instead of chemical catalyst, microbial enzymes are used in chemical industry. The enzymes are active at low temperature, pH and pressure, due to which energy is saved and erosion-proof instruments are also not necessary. In case of microbial enzymatic reactions, elimination and decomposition of waste material is avoided and enzymes can be reused. Hence, such enzymes are eco-friendly. The examples are oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lysages, isomerases, ligases, etc. Process of dirt removal occurs at low temperature too due to mixing of enzymes with detergents. Glucose and fructose syrup can be obtained from corn flour by action of enzymes obtained from bacilli and streptomyces. Then Organic acids used in various commercial products and microbes useful for the same. Source, microbe, amino acid and use. Sugar and beet molasses, ammonia salt. Microbe, Brevibacterium corynebacterium. L-glutamic acid, production of monosodium glutamate. Then sugar molasses, salt, Aspergillus niger, citric acid, drinks, toffee, chocolate production. Then glucose, corn stip liquor, Aspergillus niger, gluconic acid, production of minerals used as supplement for calcium and iron. Molasses, corn stip liquor, Lactobacillus delbrueckii, lactic acid, source of nitrogen and production of vitamin. Then molasses and corn stip liquor, Aspergillus itaconius, itaconic acid, paper, textile, plastic industry, gum production. Do you know that xanthan gum imparts thickness to your favorite ice cream, pudding, chocolate, etc. And this gum is obtained by fermentation of starch and molasses with the help of Xanthomona species. Now these are the substances obtained by microbial processing and their roles. Citric, malic and lactic acid to impart acidity. Glutamic acid, lysine, tryptophan, protein binding. Niacin and natamycin, microbial restrictor. Ascorbic acid, B12, B2, antioxidant vitamins. Beta carotene, icopines, xanthin, lutein, edible color. Polysaccharides, glycolipids, emulsifiers. Vanillin, ethyl butyrate, peppermint flavor, essence. Xylitol, aspartame, artificial sweetener. Now let's know something about antibiotics. Many diseases of human and other animals have been controlled due to antibiotic obtained from different types of bacteria and fungi. Antibiotics like penicillin, cephalosporin, erythromycin, tetracycline are used against various strains of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Then microbes and fuels. Gaseous fuel, that is methane, can be obtained by microbial anaerobic decomposition of urban, agricultural and industrial waste. Ethanol is a clean alcohol fuel obtained during fermentation of molasses by the yeast Saccharomyces. Hydrogen gas is considered to be the fuel of future, which is released during biophotolysis of water, in which bacteria perform the photoreduction. Then biofuel. Biofuel is important among the renewable source of good energy. These are available in solid, liquid and gaseous forms and are easily available and in plenty of quantity. Then microbial pollution control. Solid waste, sewage and various pollutants are ever increasing with increase in pollution. Along with it, ever increasing diseases and degradation of environment are the worldwide problems. Let's see the role of microbes in environment. They are used in the disposal of accumulated urban waste. For this, first, landfilling sites. Degradable waste being accumulated in urban areas is used for this purpose. Large pits are dug in open spaces far away from the residential area, and those pits are lined with plastic sheets as a precaution against pollution of soil due to leaching of toxic and harmful material. Compressed waste is dumped in the pit, covered with layers of soil, sawdust, leafy waste and specific biochemicals. Bioreactors are mixed at some places. The microbes present in soil and other top layers decompose the waste. Completely filled pit is sealed with soil slurry, and after few days, best quality compost is formed. Such landfilling sites can be reused after removal of compost. Then, sewage management. In villages, domestic sewage is disposed of either in nearby soil or in biogas plant. However, in cities, sewage needs to be carried to processing unit and acted upon by microbial processes. Microbes which can decompose any compound as well as destroy the pathogens of cholera, typhoid are mixed with sewage. They release methane and carbon dioxide by decomposition of the carbon compounds present in sewage. Phenol oxidizing bacteria decompose the xenobiotic, that is produced by human beings, present in sewage. The sludge that settles down can again be used as fertilizer. Water released after microbial treatment is environmentally safe. Then clean technology. Microbes have natural ability of decomposing the man-made chemicals. Some microbes remove the sulfur from fuels. Metals like copper, iron, zinc leach into environment from low quality metalloids. These are converted into compounds before leaching with the help of thiobacilli and sulfobacilli. Spilling of petroleum oil occurs in ocean due to various reasons. This oil may prove fatal and toxic to aquatic organisms. It is not easy to remove the oil layer from surface of water by mechanical method. However, bacteria like Pseudomonas and Alcanivorax porcumensis have the ability to destroy the pyridines and other chemicals. The bacteria are called as hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria, HCB. They decompose the hydrocarbon and bring about the reaction of carbon with oxygen, forming carbon dioxide and water. Plastic bottles, that is PET, polyethylene terephthalate polyester, can be decomposed using Idonella sacchiensis and Vibrio species. Similarly, species of fungi like Actinomycetes, Streptomyces, Actinoplanes have ability of decomposing rubber from garbage. Also, Acidobacillus ferrooxidans and Acidiphilium species can control the soil pollution occurring due to acid rain. Water-soluble salts of uranium are present in the waste produced during electroplating and in effluent released in environment from the atomic energy plant. Geobacter convert these salts of uranium into insoluble salts and prevent from mixing them with groundwater sources. Then, microbial inoculants. Some microbes containing inoculants are produced by process of fermentation. These are sprayed on seeds before sowing and they help in plant growth by supplying nutrients. They improve the quality of vegetarian food, and solution containing azotobacter and artificial nitrogenase is used in organic farming. Soil pollution occurring due to chemical fertilizers is prevented due to use of these solutions. Then, bioinsecticides. Bacterial and fungal toxins which can destroy pests and pathogens can be directly integrated into plants with the help of biotechnology.